it's Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently inside CVS to bring you guys the deals of the week. So my first deal is going to be on Sally Hansen nail polish. So they're on a spend 12 get $5 back in extra care bucks. So my store has the Miracle Gel price for $10.79, so buy one of those and then add one of the Extreme nail polishes for $3.49. Now there was a $1 off coupon in a past insert. $1 off one in the 3-4 Smart Source, so you can use it on the Miracle Gel, but you're not going to be able to use it on the Extreme because I think it excludes it. So now you would be at, so buy the Miracle Gel for $10.79 and then buy the Extreme for $3.49, so your total gets to $14.28. Use that $1 off coupon, so now you're down to $13.28, and then you're going to get back that $5 extra care bucks. Now you're at $9.28, and then you can submit $3 to Ibotta for the Miracle Gel nail polish. So final cost would be $6.28. This does count for beauty, and then use any CRTs you may have for cosmetics on this deal to make it even better. So I also have a similar scenario for the Target spend 20 get $5 in Target gift cards, so I will leave that video below. Those deals start on Sunday, so if you're curious to see some of the matchups for Target, then I'll have that video below. But if you don't have a Target and you have tons of extra care bucks to roll this week, then go ahead and do the Sally Hansen. These are going to be regular price, so you can also use a percentage off coupon if you got one, but the percentage off coupon is going to calculate after your manufacturer coupons, after extra care bucks, after CRTs, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so Physicians Formula this week is on a spend 12 get $8 back in extra care bucks. So this Insta Ready face primer, this guy's priced for $12.99 at my store, so you could buy this for $12.99 and then get that $8 extra care buck, making this final cost $4.99. And then if you have any CRTs for cosmetics, or if you have a percentage off coupon, definitely use it on this. But if you have a percentage off coupon, what I suggest is purchasing this first. Don't use any CRTs because you're going to get the biggest percentage taken off if you're just purchasing this on its own. So we have a deal on the Scope Crust mouthwash. This is the 1 liter. So these guys are priced for $4.79, and when you buy one, you're going to get a $3 extra care buck, and this is a limit of 2. So you could buy one of them for $4.79, and then you're going to get that $3 extra care bucks, so final cost would be $1.79. But if you have a CRT, I got a 2 off 6 mouthwash, then you can go ahead and buy 2 of them, and then you're going to get back the extra care buck twice, and then you can use your CRT, so it'll make for a really great deal on Crest mouthwash, because regular price on these guys are $5.49. So even if you just bought one of them, you would get one of them for $1.79. So I think that's a pretty decent deal for mouthwash. Okay, so we have a deal on the Easter M&Ms, so the peanut bag. So these guys are priced 2 for $5, and you're going to get a $1 extra care buck when you buy 2. And we have the $1 off 2 coupon from the Red Plum, $2.25. And then there's also one that came in the 311 Red Plum, or you can print one from coupons.com. Now, if you saved your $1 off 2 CRT from this past week, then you could take an additional $1 off. So now you're at, you would pay $2 for 2 of them, but then you could submit 75 cents times, I think it's like 5 times you can submit it. So you can submit 75 cents twice. So your final cost would be 50 cents for both bags, or 25 cents each, and that Ibotta offer ends on the 21st of March, so there's still a good amount of time for you to redeem it. Okay, so every deal that you guys should be, the one deal that everyone should be doing this week is on the Cadbury egg or the Reese's peanut butter egg. So these guys are priced for 99 cents, and you're going to get a 99-cent extra care buck when you buy one, so it makes this guy free, so just in time for the Easter bunny. So we have another Procter & Gamble So we have another Procter & Gamble deal this week. So there are tons of items that are included. So I'll go ahead and insert a photo of everything that is included, but Pampers is included this week. So Pampers are on sale for $9.99. So what you want to do is buy 2 of the Pampers, or you can buy 2 Easy Ups. Pampers and Easy Ups are both included. So buy 2 for $19.98. Now if your store does the 98% rule, then you're good here, but my store doesn't. So I'm going to add in 1 Dawn dish soap, which is 99 cents. So recap, buy 2 Pampers and buy 1 Dawn dish soap. So that gets you to $20.97. And then you can go ahead and send a 25-cent coupon to your CVS app starting on Sunday. And then there are printable coupons on coupons.com for $1.50 off for the Pampers diapers. There's tons of varieties that you can print. And then you could also print $1.50 off for the Easy Up. So you would pay $17.72, but then you get $5 back in extra care bucks. So final cost is $12.72 for everything. And then if you have any CRTs for diapers, wipes, and trainee pants, then definitely use it to make for an even better deal. So I have a 3 off 15 that I'm able to use with this deal. So it'll make my out-of-pocket even lower. So if you have that 3 off of 15, then your final cost would be $9.72 for everything, which is awesome. Okay guys, so the large 150 fluid ounce Purex detergents, these guys are regular price. My store has them $11.29, and when you buy 1, you're going to get a $7 extra care buck back, and we have a 50-cent off 1 coupon from the 311 Red Plum. So you can go ahead and buy 1 of them for $11.29. Use that 50-cent off coupon, $10.91, and then you're going to get back $7 in extra care bucks. So final cost is $3.91 for a 150 fluid ounce of Purex detergent, and this guy is going to be regular price. So if you have a percentage off coupon, definitely use it to make for an even better deal. In addition, there is that Saving Star offer when you spend $20 or more on select products, and Purex laundry detergent is included. Then you get $5 back in Saving Star. So you need to spend 20, get the 5. So if you purchased the Purex laundry detergent, that's already $11.29 towards that $20. So just make sure you have your CVS card linked to your Saving Star app so you don't miss out on those rebates. Okay guys, so Raisin Bran and also Pop-Tarts are on sale for $1.99 this week, and on coupons.com we do have printable coupons for the Raisin Bran. So it's on any 2 Raisin Bran or Raisin Bran Crunch. So you could buy 2 of them for $3.98. You would want to buy 2 of them for $3.98 and use that $1 off 2 coupon, or you can use the $1 off 2 coupon coming in our inserts. And there's also a $1 off 2 coupon coming in this week's Red Plum as well, so you could use that. And I think the coupon's good on Pop-Tarts as well. But you can use the $1 off 2 coupons, so you would pay $2.98 or just $1.49 each, which is great because Raisin Bran tends to be expensive otherwise. So it's $4.99 regular price at my store. So if you can get it on a deal and combine it with a coupon, great deal. So my store is out of pizzas, otherwise I would have showed you the pizza, but DiGiorno pizzas are 2 for $10 this week, and when you spend $30 or more in select grocery items, you're going to get a $10 extra care bucks. So my breakdown is just on pizza, so go ahead and buy 6 of them for $30, then you get that $10 extra care bucks. So final cost is 6 of them for $20 or $3.33 each. So if you're having a party, definitely a good time to stock up. Sawyer's birthday party is on the 25th. Sawyer turns 2 on the 25th, I can't believe it. So perfect time for there to be a pizza deal. So I'm definitely going to be stocking up on those. We have a deal on the Garnier Fructis shampoos. So these guys are priced 2 for $7 this week. And you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2, and we still, coupons.com brought back the $2 off 1 coupon, so print these guys. So when you combine your coupon and extra care buck, then these just go down to $1 for 2 or 50 cents each, which is really great. And then there is also a hair care deal on Dove. So Dove is 2 for $8, and we're getting a 3 off 2 coupon in our Red Plum, $3.18, and then everyone's getting a 2 off 2 instant coupon that's printing from the Red Machine. So that's gonna make these 2 for $3 or $1.50 each, which is really great for Dove shampoo. because my store has these priced for $6.69 regular price. This makes for an awesome deal. So these are all the deals I have to show you this week here at CVS. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to everyone later.